you should go this way or the other way?
That way?
Okay. Right there. Now I just have to remove this pin set that got pushed out when I squeezed the tile down. Get as much of that out as you can while the thin set is soft. Makes cleanup later before you put the grout in a lot easier. Check my line is still good. Like I said, I'm not an expert on this, but it seemed to work, so we'll see if that makes it any faster. All right, so we got dark tile, light tile. Which one of these two do you want in there?
I can't actually see them.
This one? This one?
The lighter one,
Okay,
I think, don't you?
works for me. I'll put that one next. Came up pretty easily. There we go. So if possible, can you try and get closer in the corners
Sure.
when you're putting the mortar down?
Yes. I can
Because
try.
the corners are the most difficult part to get enough mortar in.
Do I put them in here now? This one?
Wait until I trowel it.
Okay. So my question was, are you gonna put the next tile here?
Yeah.
Should I start
I can put the next tile there.
filling?
So after
I'm listening.
after I use the notch trowel, I go around and I clean the edges to try and minimize squeeze through. And then I usually put these in like that.
Okay.
And this one goes
Yep.
there. That one goes there.
Is this one okay? So light and then a dark one?
Do you have one that's back buttered already?
Oh, I forgot.
It's okay. I'll take this one. I'll do it.
Okay, I'm
I've got
sorry.
plenty of. I've got. You can start filling,
Okay.
and I'll back butter this.
You want it close to the edge? Or close to the corners? Well, I guess there's no corners, right?
Yeah, it needs to be close. Obviously, try not to go over the edge of the tile,
Okay,
but
like above.
right onto the. You don't want to go onto the tile, right? You definitely want it close to the edge of the tile, so that way you end up with full contact at the edge of the tile you're installing. Because what will happen is if you don't get it all the way to the edge, it'll be really good for your squeeze through, right? You won't have any squeeze through, but then there's nothing supporting the edge of that tile.
That makes sense. You want this one?
Oh, I can work with this one.
You sure?
Got this one in my pocket.
Wait.
Let me finish this tile, working this tile first.
Okay.
I like to clean up the edge first to minimize the mess.
Okay.
Once I get the wedges in, I will recheck my gaps
Okay.
and make sure that sometimes putting the wedges in moves the tile a little bit.
Yeah.
So
makes
check to
sense.
make sure my gaps are good and everything's lined up. Now I need to borrow the margin trowel for a minute.
Okay. Well, I have this one started at least.
So I like the margin trowel to do this to clean up the edge.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, I like
snow
that.
plow it.
Yeah.
Here. Oh crap.
Oh no. So close.
But
It's okay, it's not a big deal. You can clean it up. Oh no.
What?
I think it went off. Oh, it hasn't fallen yet. Think fast. Good job. It's only day 2 of tiling. Oh, apparently I didn't end it, or I didn't do the first one. So just in case. Hey, good job today.
Thanks. You too.
I'm not sure how many tiles. How many? Yeah, I think yesterday we placed about 34 tiles. And that was with Jonah doing 4 hours by himself, and then Jonah and I doing 3 hours together, getting through the bucket an hour faster. I think we do 16 or 20 tiles for a full bucket. I'll show you how much we plan to accomplish. So this area where the sun is shining, we're going to try to fill in each row and then slowly work our way as far as we can until we get to the edge here. This section here needs about 20 tiles, and that would be about 1 bucket, I believe. So we're gonna do a half bucket and then see how we're feeling. It's been a long day, and see if we are able to do 2 half buckets today. My side of the garage has turned into a storage unit. Is that an extra bucket of water?
Nope, this is the other half of the bag. Seven or 8 on that stack. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 40.
And how many have we used so far? Is it only 3? And then today's the 4th?
Well, there's 4 empty bags here. I don't remember if I threw any away from the first day. Set in the Schluter.
And you've put
I think
Schluter.
it might have been 6 total bags that we've used so far.
I feel like we're doing a good job.
Yeah.
We're not wasting any. It's basically what sticks to the container and what's on the tools when you're done, right?
Yep. That's it. You're in the way.
So we have 52 tiles complete, which puts us at what, 104?
104 square feet.
That's pretty good. tiles have we put down?
Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Woohoo! It's been 1 hour since we started putting mortar or thinset on the ground.
Cool.
7 is good.
Yeah, so we were about what we were averaging yesterday when we were working together. Feel like Wreck-It Ralph.
You have a giant shadow.
Because I'm larger than life. Okay, I'm done. Your turn. What do you think, Hunter? Did we do a good job? Yeah? Okay.
Okay.
That was so good.
It does. I'm so happy.